All right, buckle up because we're about to take a wild ride through the thrilling world of MULN, MFI, and Na3 stocks that sound like the secret ingredients to a vegan smoothie, but are actually the punchlines of your next portfolio joke. First up, MULN, aka Mullen Automotive. Picture this, a stock with the confidence of a cat walking into a room like it owns the place, but the market's giving it a solid 4 out of 10, which in stock speak means meh, maybe hold your horses. The forecast says it's going to drop from $8.95 to $6.12 in a year. That's like buying a surfboard expecting to ride waves, but ending up paddling in a kiddie pool. The Fear and Greed Index is screaming fear, which is just a fancy way of saying everyone's clutching their pearls and running for the exits. So, unless you're into adrenaline junkie level risk, MULN is more maybe watch from the sidelines than buy and ride to the moon. Next, we have MFI, or MF International Limited. Now, this one's like that friend who always says, "Trust me, it's a sure thing," but then promptly loses your phone at the party. The forecast? A brutal 20% drop by June 2025. That's like investing in a vegan bacon startup and then realizing no one actually wants bacon-flavored kale chips. The market's basically telling you, don't buy this unless you want to practice your short-selling skills and enjoy a little financial self-flagellation. So yeah, NFI is less buy low, sell high and more buy low, cry later. And finally, the mysterious Nano Labs Ltd. At first, it was like trying to find a vegan-friendly restaurant in the middle of a desert. No data, no clues, just tumbleweeds. But after a deeper dive, turns out the short-term forecast is a brutal nosedive from $6.85 to $1.69. That's like expecting a delicious vegan feast and ending up with a sad salad that's mostly lettuce and regret. The long-term forecast is a bit more optimistic, shooting up to $11.52 by 2030. But that's like betting your entire portfolio on kale becoming the new gold possible. But don't quit your day job just yet. So, what's the takeaway here? MULN is the cautious cat, MFI is the party crasher, and Na is the mysterious enigma wrapped in a riddle, sprinkled with a dash of maybe someday. If you're looking for a safe, steady investment, these three are about as reliable as a vegan at a Texas BBQ. But hey, if you enjoy living on the edge and want some spicy stories for your next stock market monologue,